Who was Homer Plessy? Have you ever wondered about the man whose actions sparked a major legal battle in American history? That man is Homer Plessy. Born on March 17, 1862 in New Orleans, Louisiana, Plessy was a shoemaker and civil rights activist. He had a mixed racial background and identified as being 1/8 black. His life took a significant turn when he became involved in a case that would change the course of civil rights in the United States. Plessy was a member of the Comite des Citoyens, a group of mixed-race individuals who aimed to challenge racial segregation laws in Louisiana. In 1892, he made a bold move by deliberately boarding a whites-only railcar on the East Louisiana Railway. This act was a test of the constitutionality of the state's separate car law, which mandated separate accommodations for whites and blacks. His decision led to his arrest and set the stage for the landmark Supreme Court case known as Plessy v. Ferguson. The case was decided in 1896 and revolved around whether the Louisiana law violated the 13th and 14th Amendments to the United States Constitution. Plessy's legal team argued that the law was unconstitutional because it denied equal rights to citizens based on race. However, the Supreme Court ruled that separate but equal facilities were constitutional. This ruling effectively legalized segregation and laid the groundwork for the Jim Crow laws that enforced racial segregation for many years. From a conservative viewpoint, the Plessy v. Ferguson decision illustrates the significance of strict constitutional interpretation. Many conservatives believe that judges should interpret laws as they were originally intended. In this light, the Supreme Court's decision, while flawed by today's standards, reflects how the law was understood at that time. It is also important to note that the separate but equal doctrine was eventually overturned in the landmark case of Brown v. Board of Education in 1954. This case declared that segregation in public schools was unconstitutional. This shift shows how constitutional interpretation can evolve over time and highlights the ongoing struggle for civil rights in the United States. Plessy's case serves as a reminder of the importance of constitutional principles and the judiciary's role in shaping societal norms. It also illustrates the tension between originalist interpretations of the Constitution and the need for legal frameworks to adapt to changing societal values.